Last week in one of my videos, I made mention about how you have to go and withdraw your money very fast inside CBEX. So you guys were like commenting, this is not a pencil scheme like that. But guys, this is not a latest, or let me say a trending news anymore. So what do you have to do now? Inside this video, I'm going to be adding a video that's like, the video is very funny, but tally to anything that relates to pencil scheme. Let me go back to what I said last week. Inside the video, I said Nigeria just released one latest update saying that anybody promoting or sharing pencil scheme around in the internet, through the internet in Nigeria, will be sentenced to prison or pay a fine of 40 million naira. But actually, you guys could not even follow what I said then. But now, this is not Nigeria issue fighting CBEX crypto trading platform. But guys, this is the latest update about CBEX. Some people say they still have hope. On 15th of this month, maybe the withdrawal is going to be like free everybody to like withdraw their money. But guys, let me just say something that's going to like enter your brain very fast. Nothing is here to like last long. Understand everything about cryptocurrency, and let me say some puzzle scheme in Nigeria. Relate this CBEX or CBEX or anyone relating to that to MMM. Some people made money from MMM, while some people even cry. I cannot even understand Nigeria content creator. Some people were like even dragging CBEX. I saw a message from one of the guys even running CBEX. He said he went to their Telegram and their other group like that, dragging them, but it was being removed from their platform. But guys, is this thing going to like, even a guy called me that if this thing should continue happening like this, you know, the head office, where is the head office for CBEX? I'm trying to ask you guys, because whenever a content creator asks you to go and do something very fast, you think maybe you are wiser than, I can't say maybe you are not. Be creating content, we use our brain to like schedule the type of content you guys need to watch. Last week, I was like shouting, go and withdraw your money from CBEX. But guys, I don't see this coming, but actually it may be maybe due to withdrawal issue we are having now. But this is not like, let me say, pencil scheme is not like legal in Nigeria. And also, Nigeria government came last week saying that anybody promoting pencil scheme, you could see my channel now. For now, I'm not even posting anything relating to pencil scheme. Any project coming to my DM for now should be on hold about anything pencil scheme, because I don't want to be sentenced to prison or pay a fine of 40 million naira. So guys, the only thing we have to do now is to like, let me say we have to like hold and wait till April 15th. But let me say this, in that video, I made mention of some simple examples why you guys should go and withdraw your money very fast. You can see on Play Store, no CBEX. On Apple Store, no CBEX. Even their website, when you go to Google to go and search, it's nothing like where you can see a little review that's going to like, some people say maybe CBEX is over 3 or 6 years. So guys, what do you think is going to happen now? Should we wait till April 15th, or we have to like, what do you have to do? Nothing you can do. One of my video last upper week, I said this CBEX complaint. I have worked with some project like that, like pencil scheme like that. Whenever you want to add your money, it's very simple. But to withdraw your money out, you go like sweat before you withdraw your money out of the platform. But guys, the only thing we have to do now is to wait till 15th of this month. But actually, if these things should keep on continuing like this, but me, I see this as, let me say, the rate of withdrawal during this last week is too much. But should we say the rate of withdrawal is too much? That's why CBEX trading platform to say that they have to like say they have to pend their withdrawal. But guys, this is not what we can actually say that caused the issue. Let me tell you one secret about CBEX. CBEX is a crypto platform. Though you guys do shout, it's AI trading platform. Almost trade AI no they lose. AI no they lose, Abi. So let me still now bust your head with this strategy they are using. Old investors are the one paying the new investors. You in 2025, you are the new investors. So people in 2024, 2023, they are the old investors. So no more old investor anymore. So where are they going to be seeing the money to pay you guys? I don't understand that strategy. But guys, it don't happen like that. Let me now add the funny video to the part of this video so you go laugh as I did laugh yesterday. So guys, before I call it a day, don't forget to go and give this video a thumbs up, like, go to that comment section. I actually saw some comments. Even people said he made $8,000 from CBEX. Cool, you are smart, bro. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Till we meet again.